So I have a Poulan Pro 42cc chainsaw. It's model PP42218A, and it's been throwing the chain and locking up quite a bit. But I'd figure out what was going on. Went ahead and took the bar off already. Got everything kind of taken apart already so I can show you what's going on here. So take this cover back off. They come off. There we go. So underneath the chainsaw cover, there's the drive mechanism. I already took off the little clip here. Other videos you can watch to figure out how to do that. There's a little guide for the chain. And of course, you've got the chain mechanism here. This is the actual drive mechanism for the chain. And to take that off, gotta unlock the drive on the chainsaw, pull this guy off. And I think we know why the guy's been locking and throwing the chain. See those grooves? Shouldn't be there. It's a sign of a worn rotor for this chainsaw. I've got a new one over here. Still in the package. Not worn. So take that guy out of the package here. Show you a little bit about what he looks like. There's the non-worn. And here's worn. So we're going to replace this in the chainsaw. Make sure they measure up correctly. They're an identical match. You should be able to just slide this guy straight back into the chainsaw. Make sure that little washer, there's a little washer in there that needs to stay. Slide him back on. Slide the chain guide back on. And then I've got these little pain in the neck C-clips that go on. That's the video for the day. Diagnosing chainsaw that keeps locking up the chain. Some maintenance that needs to be performed from time to time.